birds and the bees? What are the birds and the bees? Have any of you guys ever wondered what the birds and the bees was? Or more importantly, how to explain to your kids what they are? Well, I have the solution for you. Your own story. You see, I've realized the birds and the bees just don't match. Just don't make sense. So you have to be straight and to the point with those little kids. My story goes something like this. Hey, yo, Dad. Hey, how babies get here? Well, son, I'm happy you asked that question. I'm gonna tell you. Okay. Well, son, one day when you get older, you're gonna be the nice looking woman. A beautiful one. Kinda like your mama. Kinda like I did. And one day you're gonna marry this beautiful woman. And then you're gonna consummate your wedding. Meaning you're gonna go in there and hunch. And once you reach that point, you gon' bust nuts, son. You gon' bust nuts. When you hear it's you're gonna hear that, and the baby gonna come out. And that's how babies get here. Cool.